Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the rules of definite article the. The is always used with specific things whether countable or uncountable. The को हम हमेशा specific things के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं चाहे countable हो या uncountable हो. For example, eating meat gives you protein general statement. इसमें कोई article नहीं है. The meat at the market may not be fresh. यहाँ पे particular है, particular meat है. The meat, it's a specific meat, particular meat. It could be chicken, it could be beef at the market, it could be supermarket. So यहाँ पे particular and specific हैं तो यहाँ पे इसलिए article they लगा. Here are some of the rules. Look at them one by one in order to understand why to use the definite article the. Look at rule number first. To talk about a person or thing known to your listener. उस इंसान की बात करें, उस चीज़ की बात करें जो listener को मालूम हो. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल शीला हैज़ ए 10-year-old सन. उसके पास एक 10 साल का बेटा है. द सन वांट्स टू बी अ डॉक्टर. यहाँ पे द सन जो है ये पर्टिकुलर बन गया शीला का. दूसरी बार जिक्र की गई तो इसलिए ये पर्टिकुलर बन गया क्योंकि अब लिसनर इसको जानता है तो यहाँ पे ये पर्टिकुलर बन गया, स्पेसिफिक बन गया, इसलिए द लगा. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आई हैव ए पेन. ये कॉमन है, कॉमन नाउन है. अब पेन की बात करें दूसरी बार ये पर्टिकुलर बन गया, स्पेसिफिक बन गया. द पेन इज ब्लैक. Okay, next rule. When we talk about unique things, for example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the world, the police, the internet, the universe, the government, so on. For example, the police are investigating the matter. He has traveled all over the world. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Everybody uses the internet today. Rule number third, with words referring to nature or environment. For example, the countryside, the town, the mountains, the beach, the seaside, the weather. For example, my friend enjoys spending time in the countryside. Okay. Rule number 4, with objects of common experience. इन objects के साथ भी लगता है. For example, the park, the gym, the phone, the newspaper, the shower, the media, the radio, the press, the toilet. Some examples are here regarding it. I met one of my friend at the park yesterday. चाहे कोई भी park हो द लगता है. Did you read the newspaper this morning? Newspaper के साथ भी लगता है. I don't listen to the radio a lot these days. Note we can use the with TV if you mean the TV set. हम TV के साथ द इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब पूरा TV set की बात हो. For example, would you help me move the TV? लेकिन if you mean TV as a medium, then you say TV. For example, I saw a documentary on TV today. It's a crazy rule कि जब हम पूरी TV set की बात करें तो the TV आएगा, लेकिन जब हम इसको as a medium लेंगे तो on TV आएगा. Fifth rule, we use the with superlative forms. For example, the best, the worst, the smallest, the oldest, the most, the least, the youngest. In my opinion, family is the most thing in life. Rule number 6, words used as adjectives to describe noun. कुछ adjectives के साथ भी हम use करते हैं the जो एक noun को describe करते हैं. For example, the first, the second, the previous, the last, the next, the following, the same, the only. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. Who will be the next PM of India? The next, the first, the previous, the last इनके साथ भी द लगता है. Next rule, 7th rule, we use the with names of musical instruments. For example, the guitar, the violin, the piano, the saxophone. For example, he plays the guitar very well. Do you know about the violin? Okay. Rule number 8, we use the with scientific inventions. For example, the telephone, the digital camera, the internet, the telescope. For example, the telescope was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Nowadays, the internet is the most important invention of the 20th century. We use the with names of body parts when something bad happens to them. उस सिलसिले में हम द का इस्तेमाल करते हैं बॉडी पार्ट्स के साथ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन द आई, ऑन द नोज, ऑन द हेड, इन द आर्म, इन द लेग, इन द स्टमच, सो ऑन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सस्पेक्ट पर्सन वाज शॉट एट द बैक while running from the police. Next, I was standing by the side of the road. Suddenly, a tennis ball hit on the head, the back. Okay. We also use they with the following: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, the day before yesterday, the day after tomorrow, the summer, the winter, the spring, the fall, the present, the past, the future, the 19th century, the 1980s, the 90s, the rich, the poor, the employed, the unemployed. For example, we love to go swimming in the summer. The house was built by my father in the 90s. Next rules, 11th rule, we use they with singular countable noun that denotes the whole class. हम एक नाउन के साथ they का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो पूरी क्लास को कवर करता है. For example, the cow gives milk, the dog is a faithful animal. The cow, we are talking about one cow, it covers the all cows, we can say. The dog is a faithful animal. Rule number 12, people denoting nation. People denoting nation, the people of Pakistan, the people of India, the people of Afghanistan. Rule number 13, we use the with seas, oceans, rivers, deserts, mountain range. For example, the Red Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Atlantic Ocean, the river Jhelum, the river Ganga, the Himalaya, the Alps, the Antarctica and Sahara Desert, the Kalahari Desert. For example, the Alps are the largest mountain range in Europe. We use the with holy books, the Quran, the Granth, the Bible, the Gita. We use the with directions, the east, the west, the north, the south, the north pole, the south pole. We use the with revolutions, the Russian Revolution, the Industrial Revolution. We use the with wars and battles, the World War First, the World War Second, the Cold War, the Battle of Panipat. We use the with historical places, the Indian Gate, the Great Wall of China, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal. We use the in the 19th rule with the noted public places, for example, the High Court, the Supreme Court, the Secretariat, the Session Court, the Judicial Magistrate, the Lower Court. Here are some of the rules where we use no articles. For example, we use no article with countries except the USA, the UK, the Philippines, the Netherlands, the Middle East, the Arab world. We use not any article with continents, states, streets, companies, holidays, language, and some words like home, work, church, college. We use no article in rule number 2nd in these time expression. We use no article with moon, night, today, tomorrow, yesterday, day, week, month, year, night, week, month, year. I hope आपने इसको पूरी तरह से समझा होगा. This was all about the definite article. See you on tomorrow with the next part of it. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Have a nice day.